Joe, what's the week look like? What are we going to be doing? What are we going to find?
Well, once again, we're so lucky this house didn't fall on us. So here we are, week 2, finding more interesting things. Now we get into this cathedral ceiling here. We find that none of these collar ties are actually really doing anything. That's one. 2, our old existing rafters are merely sitting on about a 1x6 top plate with no collar ties really connecting anything together. All the razor blades back hidden in the wall.
How'd they get there?
I guess when they were done using them, they'd shove them in a little slot.
Having fun?
Oh yeah, another day in paradise. Okay, so this would explain this house. This is all I have to say. So we were going to leave this as brick and finish it and make it look really nice and beautiful, but as you can see, due to the amount of drinking that was going on this job site, this is the brick job that they gave us. Not very presentable, if you must ask me. So it turns out we're not going to be able to have this nice finished brick wall that we plan to have unless we go ahead and redo it all in new brick. Once again, unbelievable. Oh my God. I see why this platform now sunk. Because this double beam that runs across here supporting this little oversea right here has no hanger on it. It's just butted in right into the this little steel pole that holds the stairs up. They do have one little tiny hanger here, which is being nailed into this, which obviously you can see here. It just sunk because it's not really. They got what, 2 nails in it?
Exposing the original fireplace. It was sealed up. We're going to bring it back to where it was. Make a new fireplace. We'll continue down to the kitchen and hopefully we'll have a grill in there.
Okay, so all these 3 floor joists, how they managed to stay up in the air is besides me, but I'm gonna go upstairs right now and step on and let you guys take a look at it.
From the top now, you can see the rotten floorboards and the joists. Yep, this is the original bathroom. Glad nobody fell through.
Yep. They put tar on the back of this drywall to glue it to the wall. The damn bastard.
The original fireplace exposed at last.
So, when you look outside, you can tell that this door is significantly leaning, big time. Well, if you eyeball it from the side here, you can see that right here where they took a huge chunk out of the top plate up there,
yeah,
for the pipes, this is where it's pushed out at, right here. You can see that it all swells right here. So this exterior wall is pushed out at least 1.5 to 2 inches.
Not only is it a floating house, it's now a leaning house.
Yep. But what freaked me out when I found out today was that this side over here is not sitting on anything.
Oh, just floating there.
It's just floating on flooring. That's it. All the plumbing runs through there. Wow. So that's why this whole side sunk. That's not even the scariest part. You want to see the scariest part of this of everything? Yeah. Come on upstairs with me. I'll show you the scariest part.
That's where, yeah.
At any given time, this thing is ready to go.
No way.
Yeah, man. Oh. Here we go. Bottle number 8.
What's that?
These are the Julia tile tiles.
Oh, you want a souvenir, Joe?
Yeah, I might take it as a souvenir.
All right, I'm taking out the cabinets. We found part of the old chimney below. Looks like this thing has to be rebuilt if we want the grill in here.
All right.
Joe's convinced there's buried treasure in here.
Gotta be some treasure somewhere. Come on, please don't. Good night.
Let me get you a flashlight.
No,
Find anything?
not yet.
Where's the gold coins?
Come on, there's gotta be some buried treasure in here somewhere.
The kitchen is almost gone now. This will all be used up in Cape Cod. with another old house. Alright, before our final demolition of the kitchen, we're going to do one last dinner here. Cooking at the Jewel.
Close to being done with demo for the most part, at least for what we can do for now. Basically, she's got the furring strip to pull off, and we got to bust up this concrete floor. And other than that, it's up to the structural engineer on what to do next. So we're rocking and rolling. We're getting there.
I think this sums up week 2. Let's see how it goes in the Georgetown meetings next week. Well, this is the end of week 2. Come a long way. Floor is being removed in the kitchen. And a lot of the siding is off, or the inside plaster at least. Mind you, we found some disasters. And it should be an interesting next couple of weeks as we wait for new permits to come in. Looks like we've got to redo the roof, redo all the floors, and take off all the clapboard off the side and re-side the house. Not quite what we anticipated. Anyway, till next week. Actually, I'll be away on vacation then, but the guys will still be here. We wish them luck.